Push-ups are one of the easiest and most popular exercises. You can do them anywhere, and they help you build strong muscles because they use your chest, arms, shoulders, and even your body. But there is one big problem. Most people focus on doing too many push-ups instead of doing them the right way, and that can make the exercise less effective or even cause injury. So today, I will show you 4 simple rules to make your push-ups perfect. 1. Your body should be straight like a strong wooden plank. Many people make a mistake by letting their back bend or their hips drop. To fix this, tighten your stomach muscles and squeeze your legs and hips. Yes, it feels harder, but it makes your push-ups much better and safer. And your hands should be placed under your shoulders in a straight line. You can also place your hands wider or closer. Wide hands equals more chest work. Close hands equals more triceps work. But one important rule, never let your elbows go straight out to the sides. This can hurt your shoulders. Keep your elbows slightly pointing back. Don't cheat your push-ups. Go all the way down until your chest is close to the ground, then push all the way back up. Also, keep your body straight the whole time. Half push-ups equals half results. This part is often ignored. When you go down, your shoulder blades come slightly together. When you push up, they move apart. Try to control this movement instead of just falling down. Don't let your body collapse. Stay strong and controlled. When you follow these rules, your push-ups will feel harder. You might even do fewer reps at first, but that's okay, because good push-ups are better than many bad push-ups. Focus on quality, and your strength will improve much faster.